guys on to my very first YouTube video, and today I'm spending this very first YouTube video of mine doing my favourite thing, which is making slime. So yeah, let's get on with it. And I know that everybody loves to make slime. So yeah, let's get on with it. So our first thing to do is get our Elmer's clear glue. So yeah, let's get on with it. So I'm gonna use about a quarter of it. Is that a quarter of it? A bit more. Let's see. Yeah, that's the quarter. Right. So, moving on to our next step is to get our, what was it again? Glitter glue. And today I will be using red. So, let's see how much I want to use. But you do. I think you do need to use a certain amount so that it can get into the glue and dissolve, so that it will make like like it'll make a real good colour. So yeah. So now what we need to do is mix with our spatula. Right, so we need to mix until we think that the red has really mixed in well with the glue. But luckily it's clear glue so that you can actually really see the red. As you can see, it's already coming in really good. So I just need to mix a little bit faster. Right, let's see how it's all turned out at the moment. See if I need any more mixing. I think I need a bit more. Right, let's see now. I think that will do. Do you think, guys? Yeah, I think as well. Right. Our next step is to add our activator, because that's our only thing left to do. So we need to use like a quarter of it again, because we used a quarter of the glue. Right, so let's see about the quarter. Is that a quarter? Not yet. About there, yeah, that'll do. As you can see, I use quite a bit, just so that it blends, so it catches the glue like really good. As you can see, it's already mixing in together well. As you can see, that is definitely slime, guys. Alright, guys, that is really good. But as you can see, it's not that stretchy right now. But once I've kneaded it with my hands, it will be. So we just need to get all the glue as possible as we can into the activator so that it forms the slime. It is forming really well at the moment, as you can see. So I think that we've sussed it. We've sussed how to make slime, guys. Yeah, that's good. That's really good. It's like my last one that I made, but I didn't actually do it on a YouTube video because I was on holiday and I didn't have a camera. So guys, I think that's formed really well. Comment down below if you think that this one has formed really well. I would like you to send me #RedGlitterRules if you think that this has worked really well. Okay, I think it has. So let's see what you guys think. Right. Guys, this is actually really good. I think I might pour it out of the bowl now. Well, that was easy. It was easy, but I needed to blink. Right, so let's get this all out of the way and knead with our hands. But at the moment, guys, it is quite sticky. But once we've kneaded it well, it won't be as sticky. This actually, I think this might be. I think this will make a really good bubble, and also I think this will. Oh, guys, look at that! And also, I think that this will poke, like make the pokey sound. Shh. Well, it won't do it at the moment because it's sticky, and it'll stick to me, so it won't make the pokey sound right now. But it will make the pokey sound a bit later on. So I'm just going to keep kneading and kneading, so that it comes together really well, as you can see. Right, guys, I would totally suggest that you guys should make this. Guys, I can play with this forever. Is that good? Guys, I made a bubble! Boom! But last time I made a bubble, it was humongous. It took like a quarter of this table, literally. Like as much as you can see of the table. So it was huge. It got all the way up my arm though, but it was really good. Yay, it's not sticky anymore. Well, it's wet, but it is pretty sticky, but none of the slime stuck to me. It was just the texture in the texture of the slime sticking to me. Right. Oh. Right. So, guys, I think that this has been a total amazing success. Woo! I've got my slime then Jess now. By the way, Jessica's my sister, if you didn't know. Well, of course you didn't know, because this is my very first YouTube video. Right, I'm gonna try and make another bubble. Oh, that one didn't work, but I'm gonna do it again. Right. Where should I grab it from? I might grab it from here. Guys, it is so clear. Boom. I did it. It is really sticky, but not that sticky. Like, if you know what I mean by it's sticking to me, but not sticking to me. I can see y'all! It's like the one that I've got on WhatsApp sent by my granddad. But sadly I lost my phone in the winter gardens. Right. So, let me just do one more bubble, then we'll move on to our next slime. Right. So let me get it all together and then we'll put it somewhere in a container or something like that. Right. Oops. Guys, this is sticking to me, but it won't stick to me for much longer. Right. So, right. One more bubble, guys. Trust me this time. One more. Because you guys will be getting bored of the bubbles soon. Because I'll keep making them. But that one was a quick bubble. You guys might not have seen it, but it was a really quick bubble. Right, we'll make one more slime after this, and then we'll end the YouTube video. Right, where shall we put this? I know, here. now we know how much to use, we can just get on with it like really fast. Right, so. But by the way guys, if you do it like that, it comes out really slow. So just to speed it up, I'm going to screw the lid off. And then just do it like that. Right, so I'm just going to try and get all of this out. Right, I think it's all out. Right, that's all out definitely now. Right. Guys, I think we will be master slime makers. So, let's just screw this lid back on. And then we'll move on quickly on to our next colour glue. Well, glitter glue. And it will be blue. The colour of the ocean. My sister's favourite colour is blue. Even her gum shield is blue because she plays hockey. Right. Yeah, we'll do about that much glitter. I almost put the lid on back the wrong way round then. Oh, it's not properly on. Right. Yeah, we'll just have to do like that. Right, let's mix it with our spatula. Right. Wow, this one's like a really strong colour, guys. If you can see through the bottom. I don't think you can, so I'm just going to show you like that. It came like really fast when I first started mixing it then. Whoa! Guys, I already really want to play with it, but it'll be like super sticky. This is definitely gonna be like the best blue colour ever. I might call it ocean slime, but that will be copying marketing. I don't care. Right. I think I know how much to do now because of the last one. Yeah, about that much I used, I think. Right. Oh, it's come together already again. Right, let's get all the glue in. Right. For this one, I don't think... Yeah, for this one, we'll just let it rest in the bowl for a little bit whilst I check on my red glitter slime. I might call it blood slime, the red one. For some reason, that was the first thing that came to my mind that was red. So, yeah. Guys, this is really good. We're just going to let that one rest now. But it is still a little bit sticky. Guys, literally guys, there's bubbles in it that did not want to pop then. Right. So, right, now we're going to get on this slime. This is really good now. Right, let's just move that slime out of the way. We're just going to pour it out the bowl now. Because it seems like really activated now. It does not want to come out the bowl. I'm going to call it doesn't want to come out the bowl slime. So let me get most of the slime off the spatula. Right. This, for some reason, seems bigger than the red one. As you can see, for some reason, for some really odd reason, it does. Right. So we're just gonna knead this one as fast as we can. I don't think it will take as long as the red, but let's see. Boom, guys. My granddad does not know how to knead slime machine. He just goes like this with it. For some reason, for some really odd reason. Right. I'm just getting all the slime that I can hardly see off the table to get it. What? I can't talk. To get into the slime. Right. So I'm just gonna try a bubble. A little bit popped. Well, at least it broke anyways. So I'm gonna knead this until the cameraman gets back, because he's just gone upstairs on the phone. Guys, these two slimes have been a brilliant success. We have cookied this slime. By the way, that noise is just my dog drinking his water. Her water. This is her. And she's called Tatty. She is so cute. Right. But sometimes the dog is at my nan and granddad's because we can't really be with her that much, because I go dancing like almost every night, except Sundays. At the moment I would be at Sunday school if I didn't quit, but yeah. So I wouldn't have ever done my first YouTube video ever. Right, so right. Let me just pick it all off my ends. Right. So guys, this will be the end of my video. So smash that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!